Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 deals with sales tax and a final price. It says a doghouse costs $124 at the local pet store. If sales tax is 8.5%, find the final price after the sales tax is included. So first I'm going to find out how much money the sales tax will be. I want 8.5%, I'll write that as a decimal, 0.085, times the price of the doghouse, which is $124. If I punch that into a calculator, I find out that the sales tax amount is going to be $10.54. Now I can take the $124 that the doghouse cost and add the sales tax of $10.54. And if I add those together, I find out that after sales tax, the doghouse will cost $134.54. Now there is a shortcut way to do this. If I think about the $124 as 100% of the price and the sales tax as 8.5% of the price, I can add those two together and find out that I would have being paid 108.5% of the price of $124, which means I could multiply 1.085 times the $124 and directly find the final price of $134.54. So you could do the problem in 2 steps, first finding the tax, then adding them together, or you can add the percentages together, multiply it by the price of the doghouse, and you'll find the same answer of $134.54.